playful puffer dress become high tea appropriate? And what about transforming a bold mini dress into an epitome of elegance? Stick around as we redefine elegance with unexpected twists.
Qu'est-ce que je vais te nommer? Je vais te nommer l'amour.
What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well today. So recently one of my friends had her birthday and we celebrated it high tea style. We went to this place to have this, joyful high tea, and oh my god, it was such a fun experience. I noticed a lot of women there were dressed in these really classic, timeless looks, and then it sparked an idea. Why not make a video about these high tea looks but with unexpected twists? I mean, high tea is the epitome of elegance, but who says it has to be predictable? If you haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Saloni, and if you would like to stick around, please press the bell icon down below. And now, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. In today's video, we shall be exploring 5 stunning high tea looks that will merge timeless sophistication with unique elements and fun and very unexpected twists. Ready to elevate your wardrobe for your next tea party? Let's dive in. Also, please keep watching this video till the end because there's a rather interesting surprise for you all in the end of this video. So the first look that I came up with is this one right here. It's a black statement short suit look and it's all about mixing edgy and refined elements. As you can see, I'm wearing this black short suit which has these super dramatic and puffed pink sleeves to keep the look very polished, and to add the elegant component to it, I've added a white sleek watch, and then I've also used this round white designer bag. And honestly, I feel mixing white with black is a little unexpected, but it's also what's making this look a little different and a little playful. The third and the final element of this look is this beautiful flower choker that I'm wearing, and you can see the color of this choker matches exactly with the color of my sleeves, and it's such a statement piece. Oh my god, I really love this look. Let me know what you guys think of it. I mean guys, I truly feel this look is a perfect example of mixing elegance with edge and playfulness, and it's a twist to the usual high tea fashion style. And next up is the flirty cake bag look. So guys, this look is all about confidence with a playful twist. You can see it starts with this fiery mini short dress with like matching red gloves, which is all very cohesive. But to keep things fun and to steer away from making the look a little too sultry, I've added the cutest cake bag to it. And I think that's the element which is actually making this look very playful and fun. This look is whimsical, light-hearted and absolutely fun. It's also perfect for a high tea vibe, and I really love it too. Also, you can never go wrong with red. Now let's talk about this playful pearl look. It starts with this puffer blue silky dress, and yes, it's the same dress that I'm wearing right now. And this dress has this completely girly, playful and fun vibe. But this dress is full of youthful energy, while high tea is all about elegance and sophistication. Therefore, to elevate this look and add a touch of refinement, I've added classic and very simple pearl jewelry to go with it. None of this jewelry is a statement piece. They are all very simple, very dainty. I mean, pearls just have that timeless classic vibe, don't they? And I feel adding pearl to anything can just make it look very elevated in an instant. And that's why I think adding this pearl jewelry to this fun look is what makes it very conventionally elegant and more sophisticated and ladylike rather than just being all cute and girly. The final part of this look is this really chic pearl bag from Cult Kaya, and oh my god, this bag, it's such a statement piece. Like whenever I carry it, I'm always asked so many questions about it, and it just goes so perfectly with this entire ensemble, makes it look so refined, so elevated, and yes, this look is one of a kind as well. Okay guys, now next up is this polka derby look, and this look is all about classic elegance with a twist. As you can see, I'm wearing this very beautiful, very whimsical polka dotted dress. It's so dreamy, so curly. And then I've added some of the most classic components of high tea to it, and that would be these gloves and the white hat that I'm wearing. Also note, these gloves that I'm wearing are not very conventional, they are rather fun. They have these ostrich feathers and a very playful and fun vibe to them. This look is so flowy, so dreamy, so whimsical. I feel it goes perfectly with the whole high tea vibe. I would also love to know your opinions on this look, so please leave them down in the comments below. And guys, last but not the least, we have this timeless classic look. And you can see I'm wearing this quintessential high tea outfit. I'm wearing this brown tea-length skirt. It's called tea-length, so that just proves it is made for events like high teas. And it's pleated, and then I've paired it up with this grey top, and I really love this top. I just love this look overall. I feel it's such an elegant vibe, so sophisticated, so refined. And then to keep this look all leveled up, I've added these designer sunglasses and I've carried a designer bag. I feel this is one of the most high street kind of, high tea looks of this video. It's also most quintessential and most expected. I really think this is quite different from all the other looks, but it's a whole different vibe and just a different mood. Let me know what you guys thought of it. And guys, now it's the time for the surprise I was talking about in the beginning of the video. Like I said before, that I got this idea to make this entire video after attending a friend's birthday party for which we went to have high tea, and I did this rather extremely extravagant look for that occasion, and I would love to share that with you all, like the outfit that I wore for that particular event on that day. And it's very different from all the 5 outfits I've shown here, but it also merges timeless sophistication with fun and unexpected twist. So I wore this really short and sparkly nude dress from the brand Mirror Palace, and then I paired it with this really long silk cape or cloak, like whatever you would like to call it, and oh my god, it was quite dramatic and it had such a beautiful effect. I literally got so many compliments. It was such a unique look. It's actually one of my favorite looks that I have ever done, and it was so timeless, so unique. Please let me know what you guys think of it. Yes guys, so that was my little surprise for you all, just sharing my high tea look with you. And I hope you enjoyed this one as well as the other 5 looks that I shared with you, and they will be useful for you in the future or whenever you plan to attend your next tea party. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. I had so much fun making this one. It was such a blast, and I hope you all enjoyed it too. Please let me know which was your favorite look down in the comments below. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you always.
Oh.